these fenders. They're so nuts.
I love the little fenders. They look so good. God, Cameron, it looks really nice. I cannot wait until we're totally done. How much longer? I just can't believe how you can see me in it. You know? Like, I can see ourselves in there. It's like it's a mirror. It's so crazy.
Yep.
Don't be breaking stuff.
Yep, perfect. Perfecto paint double.
This is a hot. This is so
And
cool.
clear, that's the hardest, is the clear. That's like... Let's get the sun on it.
Honey, you just walk past the camera.
Alright.
No, I don't want to.
I do. I want to see the nuts. I haven't even been able to